So, good afternoon, everybody. This is Kiran NG. I'm dialed in from Bangalore. Some of you might know me, for others, I will introduce. Before that, I just wanted to know the audience. Let's go one by one. Savera Foundation, can you please let us know who you are? Who you are? You must be representing Savera. Yeah. Please.
Hello, sir. Hello, all. I am Rahul, and basically we are based in Jharkhand, and we are partners of Asia Initiative last 4 years, and we are working with vulnerable group in Jharkhand, basically on kitchen garden and watershed management program. So right now we are willing to learn something from you. And our team members are also present. They also want to introduce.
We will go to detailed introduction later. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. Sure. Just tell me how many people you are supporting.
Approx 3,000.
Wow, amazing. 3,000. How did they register? They registered, or you joined hands with some school or college? How did it happen?
No, basically they are village women among whom we are working. Mm-hmm. And we have a different tool or platform where they are registered. Means we have registered them where we monitor socks, etc.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to know. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
I forgot your name. What's your name?
My name is Rahul.
Okay, Rahul. Yeah. Thank you. We will come back and we will get to know each one of you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank
you. Can keep the video on, no problem.
Okay.
Vidyadhar, can you please, I know about you, but yeah, tell me the latest numbers. How many you are supporting?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Myself Bijay Maharjan. We are working in Odisha, Bhubaneswar, capital of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. We have two centers from Asia Initiative.
Yeah. You can switch on the video. That was impressive. The 25 people working.
In this project, total 5 numbers staff are working under digital literacy program.
Okay. And what is your expectation from today's call? What's your expectation from today's call?
We know about basic of AI and advance of AI due to we want to learn and this knowledge give to our students also.
Okay. That's good. Yeah. Subhra Jyosna. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Subhra.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Subhra Jyosna. I'm from Nidhi, from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are very much audible. So,
thank you. Yes, sir.
You are representing an NGO, is it?
Yes, sir.
Which one is that?
That is Nidhi.
Okay. How many you are supporting? How many students?
We are supporting 1,000 participants.
Okay, that's good to know. And which standard? These 1,000 are in which standard? What age group?
They are rural women.
Okay, good.
They are mostly tribal, and they are working at tribal community women.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Krishna Heda. Yeah, thanks, Subhra.
This is Dr. Nilesh Heda from Samvardhan Sanstha from Maharashtra. This is
and how many
farmers? Yes.
How many farmers you are supporting?
We are supporting 600 farmers, and basically we are working for the water conservation work in the Vidarbha region, which is a water scarcity region in the Vidarbha. And from this workshop, we are expecting how to use the power of AI in the Excel, Microsoft Excel.
Okay. So you have signed up in file, is it? Yeah, I see one more Dr. Bikash.
Sorry.
I see 2 logins.
Yes, actually, I am having my colleague with me, Krishna Heda, Nilesh Heda, and Sham Savai. We both are the colleagues, and we are working together in the Vidarbha region.
Okay, got it. So since there are, yeah, you can mute it.
Yes, sorry.
You can mute your line. I will start my AI session in some time. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, because I can mute.
I'm not able to clearly listen you. I'm not able to clear.
Yeah, now you should be able to listen. I hope others are able to listen to me. You can just give me a thumbs up who are able to listen. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, yeah, you have to please check your internet connection, because here there is no issue. I am in Bangalore and I am sitting with a very good internet connection. So, sound should not be an issue. Is it okay now?
Yes, absolutely okay. Absolutely okay.
Thank you. And in case if somebody is not able to listen, I am recording the session. So, don't worry, I will send the recording. And also, another AI tool called Gemini is transcribing, means whatever I am speaking, it's also taking notes. So you will also get a printed notes like this one, which I did when I did one teacher's training last 2 weeks ago. You will get a report like this. Okay, this is all not created outside. It is created from whatever I'm speaking or I'm going to demonstrate. It will create a nice report like this. I will send a PDF which you can print. All the diagrams, everything are created by AI. Okay. So it's very interesting. Can you please put it in the chat window, each one of you, okay, which NGO you represent, how many people you are supporting, and what is the age group, and also if they are farmers, write farmers, if they are women, put women, so that I have a need, at least when I will know the profile of the people you are supporting, accordingly I will tune the my session and the examples I give, and of course I will make it interactive. I want each one of you to participate in this, and I want each one of you to try it out as and when I'm going to show this, because no point in me just talking for next 1.5 hours, then that will be boring. That's fair, right? I will do hands-on. We can start with the first hands-on right away. Okay. Good to see Ajayan Brickwork. Ajayan, can you please unmute? I just wanted to know your profile.
Good evening. I'm Ajayan from Brickwork Foundation, Bangalore.
Yeah.
Sangeeta Kulkarni is the chairman, and she is,
yesterday we discussed.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are mainly concentrating on the education sector, especially government education sector, improving the infrastructure development by providing computer labs, Nali Gali classrooms, and
if you don't mind, would you like to open your video so that I can see you? Because I'm also in Bangalore, I might even drop into your office on.
Oh, sure. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so we have done this computer lab in Bhatkal as well as in Bangalore. So which is about 150 students are benefited in that computer lab, and about Nalikali students, we have improved the classroom for about 500 students. And the computer lab, so we have adapted also government school in Bhatkal.
Okay.
So there are about 160 students. So this is all, 1 year, this many students will get benefited. About 800 students will get benefit because of our program.
Excellent.
Yeah, we are looking at what is the AI, especially in the computer learning, what we can do with the AI, how it can give a better understanding to the students.
Okay.
And also the teachers.
Nice. Yeah, good to know. And what's your background? What do you do with Brickwork Foundation?
I'm actually taking care of the facilities and administration at Brickwork India. It's a parent company.
Got it.
So I also assist in the CSR work.
Oh, okay. Nice meeting you, Ajay.
Sure, thank you.
Where do you stay in Bangalore? I'm in Banshankari, third stage.
I'm in JP Nagar 9th phase.
Oh, we are
Not with far.
just 3 kilometers away.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Yeah, we will catch up once in a while over coffee because I keep coming that side.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, nice. So yeah, yesterday Kulkarni ma'am sat through my session. It was for 90 minutes. So she appreciated what we did. In fact, yesterday even students were there in my session.
Okay.
We did a lot of hands-on, and yeah, she also appreciated, and the way students react whenever I show something, which is so interesting and exciting, right? Suddenly they were also getting doubt, will it replace teachers?
Okay.
Okay, what's your view?
Which would be, I mean, I think children would love to have that. I think replacing the teachers will be always for
Yeah,
them,
yeah.
for the kids. Yeah.
I will not give any homework, right? Yeah, so teachers will give homework. That's why probably they prefer AI teacher. Okay. So,
Yes.
and another interesting thing is, yeah, we will discuss what all things we can do in government schools and the government setup, because we also already working with several government schools. I will share some of the best practices. And
Okay.
April 2nd week, we are going to one of the government schools in Electronic City. Huskur is the village name. So there, if you or your colleagues can join there, then you will see firsthand how we are helping them.
Okay. Okay.
And as you just heard from Vidyadhar, 2 years ago, I had helped this NGO, even though I have not seen them. I see only in the videos. So about 25 Raspberry Pi computers they had bought. So I helped them to set it up and also train the volunteers so that they can use it. I'm very excited to see, even after 2 years, they continue to use that computer. And can you guess the cost of these Raspberry Pi computers?
Okay.
Each costs, CPU costs only 3,000 rupees, plus monitor, everything put together, it will come to around 15 to 16,000 rupees. Actually, monitor and keyboard are the expensive. CPU is the less expensive one.
Is that a thin client or is it?
No, it's a single board computer. This one is Raspberry Pi. You can see it in my hand.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
This
Yes.
is full computer, not thin client.
Okay. Okay.
So this is available in free market, and so this we have also set up in about 15 schools here in Karnataka state. So I can share all these best practices. Interestingly, we can do AI on this.
Okay. So is it designed for the AI?
There is nothing called designing, because all AI happens on internet, right?
Yeah.
We have to just download. And even now also what we are seeing is AI, because there is a Gemini transcribing tool, which is taking the notes, and it is going to summarize very neatly. So AI is happening, and all of us, whether it's mobile phone or whether it's laptop, we have signed up, and Google Meet works on this also. I have tested. Okay, and I can do whatever demonstration which I am doing now. I can do it on that, but it's a bit slow. That's why I have not connected today. Otherwise, next time I will connect that also and show you.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank
yeah,
you, sir.
in the interest of time, let's get started with the first demo. And thanks for everybody for elaborate introduction. This gives very good insights into who you are and what you are supporting. It's really overwhelming and humbling experience to be able to help remotely, though I would love to see your action in person. So hopefully during the year we will get opportunities. So now let me share my screen, and I'm going to type. Before this, I want all of you to type which AI tool you have used. Just put it in the chat window. Which AI tool you would have used? ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is one of them. Okay, thanks, Dilasa. Yeah, all of you, please type. Copilot, Ajay, Gemini, Copilot, wonderful. Excellent. Grok, Gemini, DeepSeek. Sulochana, can you please unmute and let me know what you are using DeepSeek for? Sulochana, ma'am?
Hello, namaste everyone. I'm from Nepal, Sulochana. So generally, I work as a project manager for different projects, and DeepSeek has been a new AI tool for me to see and summarize the things what are going on. So basically, I use it for the summaries for different things, like what are the issues, general things. So. Not in a greater sense, but I use it as tools to bring something for the brainstorming.
Okay, okay, nice to know. Which city you are based, ma'am?
So we are in Nepal, and we work in Kavri district, which is just 40 kilometers away from capital Kathmandu.
Wonderful. Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't expect two countries to collaborate. Yeah, good to know. Feels good.
Thank you.
India and Nepal. So you're also supported by Asia Initiatives, is it?
Yes, we are the only one partner in Nepal. So we start collaborating with AI since 2024. So it's like a second phase for AI in Nepal.
Oh,
So it's second year.
okay, nice. Yeah,
And we are working with the omens, particularly with the omens farmers in the rural area of Kabri district.
wonderful. Yeah, I have not visited Nepal. Probably I will take this as a plan for next 1 or 2 years so that we visit.
Please, we are very welcoming you. So
Thank you.
hope to see you soon.
Yeah. How many people you are supporting?
So we have 250 women's farmers.
Okay, nice. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'm interested to know some unique AI tools which I have not used. Ajayan, if you can tell about Copilot, what is it used for?
It's, I meant actually the Copilot, which with the Microsoft.
Oh, okay. Oh, got it. Got it.
Yeah, it was a type of
Copilot do you use for coding or this office tools?
office tools,
Oh, okay, okay.
and Gemini as well.
Okay, nice. Yeah, good to see all of you have attempted one or other, at least most of you. Now, anyway, to bring everybody to the common base, I am going to give you another chat AI tool. I will put it in the chat window. You can just copy it so that, sorry, click on it. It should open up. Just click on it. Don't do anything. I will give you further instructions and I will give you guide on my shared screen. It's called AudioPen. You can see in the chat window, I have given the URL. Just click on the link, whether it's a mobile or laptop, it works. Please click. Don't log in. You need not have to log in to use it. Just click. And you will see, you should be able to see the screen, which I'm going to share now. Just give me a second. This is just to get a taste, give you a taste for how easy the AI is getting. And how I will tell you how, if required, how you can create one like this. Yeah. So all of you should be able to see the screen. Just give me a thumbs up in your icon, the thumbs up icon. You click reactions. If you are seeing this screen called AudioPen, which I'm sharing. Okay, Biraj telling yes. Anybody else? Give me a thumbs up. Ajay, you are able to get into the screen?
Yes, I could. Yes.
Yeah, just give thumbs up, no, so that I have the count. Thumbs up or hands up signal, one of them. Just give me something. Yeah. That hands up is also fine. Good. All of you are getting. Only 4.
Text is very not visible properly.
No. Don't see that text. I want you to experience in your own laptop or your own mobile.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I will go ahead with the demo. Those are, I see only 3 of you have raised the hands. I assume others, you will figure it out because I'm recording this also. Okay, let me go ahead. And now I'm going to click on this red mic icon. If it asks, give permission, please give permission. Then you see I'm going to talk continuously for about a minute. Today, we have assembled to give an introduction of AI, especially in the skilling space or education space, to all the NGOs, which is supported by Asia Initiatives Foundation. And good to know they are all spread across India. I see most of them spread across North India. I didn't hear anybody from the South India. And I also heard about one NGO which is in Nepal. Good to see two countries are collaborating in this initiative. Now, as a part of the first teaser, I'm just giving a demo of an AI tool called AudioPen. This is recording whatever I am talking, and for about a minute I'm going to talk, and I can talk about anything. Weather in Bangalore is very nice and sunny now, and day before yesterday it rained very heavily, and it was a very good reprieve from relief for us from the hot summer weather. It cooled down the temperature and it was very nice feeling. And thankfully this is the early summer. It feels so nice in the morning and the evening, and it's really an envious weather which anybody would love to be in this weather across the world. So I'm intentionally spoke about two topics. Now let's see how this AI tool is going to summarize my speech into text. I'm going to click on this stop. Now it is uploading it into its cloud. Now it is transcribing. See how fast it is doing. Now it is rewriting. That means whatever it converted, it rewrote. Suddenly, look at it. It already created the summary. I hope all of you are able to read this right. Now the text should be okay. Or if I can zoom it further. So, Ajay, you are able to see, right? Can one of you confirm if you are able to read my screen?
We can read, yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, as you can see, I did not say introducing AI in education is the title. It should be the title of whatever I'm talking. It only deduced from my speech that I am talking about introducing AI in education. Okay. And look at the sentences which it used. In between, I could not speak continuously. So I was searching for words to speak. But look at how grammatically correct words. And can you identify any spelling mistakes in what it has transcribed? And how seamlessly it has brought in what I described about the weather. It doesn't look appropriate, it doesn't look inappropriate, or it doesn't look cut and paste from some document. Now, one of you, can you please tell me what is the use of this tool? Sulochana, can you please unmute and let me know, is this tool useful?
I found it is very useful, and we can use this tool to collect the minutes. So when we are having interview also, it can be used. So it would be very useful for the strong documentation, where we have to talk with the various people, and yes, it will be very useful for reporting and put it in the documentation. I found it is very useful one. Yeah, for me, it's very useful.
Thank you, ma'am. So yeah, please try it out. You can mute your phone and try it out on your mobile, and whether it really is working, so that you can experience firsthand. Okay. Yeah, Vaishali, please go ahead. Can you please tell me if this is useful and where do you think you will use this? I had one of my colleague in Infosys by name, it's your same name, Vaishali Khandekar.
Yeah. So yes, it is useful, and to summarize the big documents or the big voiceovers into concise scripts, it will be useful.
Thank you, ma'am. And are you from Maharashtra by any chance? Because this
Yes,
is
I am from
Marathi name.
Yeah.
Because my colleague is also from Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Now, let me hear from one more. Yeah, Vidyadhar or Bikash, can you tell us if this is useful for your students? Let's start with Vidyadhar. You have to speak, otherwise you will not learn. Otherwise it will be boring. Bikash, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm traveling, so maybe outside sound will be there.
But you saw my
So
demo, right? Can you comment on what you saw?
yes, sir. I was in your yesterday session. So for this one, I can use for our team members in our organizations and also for the students. Specifically, what I'm struggling is, our students is not able to in they are not in good English. Their English is very poor, so I don't know how this can help them or the language transfer can happen.
Did you try with one of your students? No, because it doesn't expect you to be good in English. Even if you
Okay, sir.
speak not so good English, it will correct the English.
Yes, sir.
For example, let them read it out from a newspaper. Let them read it out from a textbook.
Okay.
Then you see automatically how nicely this translates as if it's an English teacher. Then they can
Yes.
compare both. What did they read and what did it summarize? Because it won't give you exactly same as what I spoke. It is going
Yes.
to summarize and give you the summary.
Yes, sir.
That itself can learning tool.
I have a question.
Yes.
Yes, basically, is it confined to English language only, or is it support to other languages also, like Marathi or Hindi?
Okay. Yeah. This is a teaser. Yeah. Can you please? There is an echo coming from you. Yeah. It looks like you have two devices logged in from the same room. Please reduce both speaker and microphone volume in other device which you are not using. Then echo will not be there. Thank you. So now this is just for a demo, and please, I am going to show you another alternative to this. Okay, this is just for a demo because this does not need any login, and this is a paid version, so I don't recommend to use this because this will get expensive. And yes, Krishna, you are right. This supports only English, but the one another tool which I am going to share with you, which is from Google. Google has got Gemini, and Google has got another tool called NotebookLM. Okay, both tools support multiple languages, and of course, ChatGPT. Most of you have used ChatGPT. ChatGPT supports most of the languages. I tested already Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Tamil, and all. Kannada not so good, even though I am in Karnataka. But it was able to do Hindi, Marathi very well. So in that way, yes, I'm going to show you a tool that comes at almost zero cost, which is scalable. And here this demo version limits you to 3 minutes, but whereas what I'm going to show you, a combination of two things. It's a two-step process. Here it made you seamless, but what I'm going to show you is a free version, which is a combination. For example, this document, what you're seeing, is made from my audio narration for 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours I spoke, and it created this 12-page booklet. Okay, so like that, I can do this in Hindi, I can do this in Marathi in just click of a button. I have not typed anything from this. Okay, it's all transcribed automatically by the AI tool. I will share with you, and in the report also it will come what all AI tools I used. Okay, Savera Foundation, I think you wanted to speak. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. We just wanted to share that we found the tool very useful. What you have shown, like even we found it very useful. We can use it with our team members as well as whenever we have some conversation with the community people. Also, we can easily record the voice and then transcribe it. So for that, we find it very useful.
What's your name, ma'am?
Priyanka.
Priyanka. And what's your profile in the NGO?
I worked as a project manager here in Savera Foundation.
Okay, nice. And what's your education background before you joined them?
I did my master's in social work.
Which institute?
Assam Don Bosco University.
Okay, nice. Yeah, good to see that you have dedicated your life for the social cause.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And, anybody else would like to share? Where do you think this is useful? As of now, please assume if this is free, if this supports multiple languages, where will you use it? Just please let me know the use cases, means the scenarios where you will use this. Yeah, go ahead, Ravi.
Yes. So the first thought which came to my mind is that sometimes I have some ideas going around in my mind.
Yes, please go ahead. I'm hearing. Ravi, there is a pause either because of the internet connection.
When I need to write down I need to write down. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
Yes, I can.
So this will be useful for me to, you know, note down my ideas, the ideas which I get, related work-related ideas or personal ideas. So it will be useful for me that I will narrate this to this app and it will convert into text. So this one thought I got use case of this.
Thanks. Which city you are based in?
I am in Udaipur, Rajasthan.
Okay, nice. Yeah, anybody else would like to share? You can raise your hands. I will just ask.
Can
Subhra
I say, sir?
Jyosna. Yeah, please go. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir, for opportunity. Sir, I think this AI tool is more we can use at the time of training programs. Whenever we are arranging training programs, there are so many staffs are there who are sharing their views and and sharing their opinions regarding the trainings, and all these things we can't note down on at a time, and some things are we missed at that time. Important points we can record all these things in there, and later we can check all those. And second time we can use this one for content writing, like during the writing of any kind of content to post at social media and other places. At that time we are we are speaking at that time, but some points at the time of writing we just missed out some points and some words also. On that also we can use that.
Yeah, thank you. Wonderful. Which city you are based in?
I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha.
Okay, and what's your profile and education background?
Yes, sir. I'm from agriculture background, BSc Agriculture from Sri University, Cuttack, Odisha, and then I joined MBA in Agribusiness Management from Kid School of Rural Management, Bhubaneswar, Odisha.
Wonderful. Yeah, if any of you are comfortable of showing your video, yeah, please do so that I'm sure I'm not talking to any robots, so that since it's all NGO and for noble cause we are working, there's no harm. And also another good thing is going ahead, this is not the last meeting, right? I'm sure, because I'm also closely working in this space, we will keep meeting. So then, yeah, we will also, whenever we cross on the road, we can just say hi. Otherwise, we will never know whom we are talking. Thank you. Thanks, Subhra. And who else would like to share? Because this is a very, still I'm not, this is such a potential in the ecosystem which you are in. So I want to hear that, because look at it, what an empowerment you are giving to the farmers. Okay, if the farmers you are now you give the mobile phone to your farmer with this tool, this works on the mobile. Okay, now look at what an empowerment you are giving. They can speak. Imagine I told you it will support. There is another tool. ChatGPT supports Hindi. ChatGPT supports Marathi. I will give you a demo in a while. So I have ChatGPT and Gemini both installed in this phone. I will give you a demo. Now, if they want to communicate with you, now they have to just speak whatever they want to speak, as if they are speaking to their own daughter or son. They are so comfortable, right? Speaking to what do they want to do, or what they learned, what is their challenge, what is the problem. Look at it. Suddenly they can communicate so well. And if Geeta ma'am wants to have the summary of all of you, all you have to do is just ask them to speak for 1 minute what they learned in this last 3 months, or what is your current challenges. You just give the phone to one phone, you switch on, and in a one by one, you just give it to them in a room. That's it. You can get everybody's authentic, original, what they felt or what problem they are facing, what support they are getting. So that means they need not have to type. They need not have to do it in English. Automatically, this will translate into English. Then you can summarize and you can share it with the world. How powerful that will be, right? I'm really excited about what this opens up. So now that I have shared with you, can one of you share where exactly this particular tool is going to help you? Because I'm really excited about the variety of audience whom you are supporting, the farmers, the ladies who are in the rural places, the students. Yeah, can one of you summarize now? Because you think big, right? Suddenly, it is like a person, a handicapped person, when we give wheelchair, it is like now they can move on their own and they can explore the world. So like that, we are giving them a tool called communication. So far, they were thinking, I don't know how to switch on the computer. No need. They need just a mobile and they don't know how to type. No need. Just speak into it. It will react. Right? Suddenly we are empowering them with all communication tools. Now they didn't know how to do English. Not necessary, because in any of the European or Chinese country, they never even aspire to learn English. They will continue with their local language. Still, they are doing much better than us. Right? Now, who knows? There might be scientists in your own class or in the people whom you are supporting. There might be whoever you see, Abdul Kalam, or next Abdul Kalam might come from there. Okay. So you see that way, think big. And now, can you come up with one or two ideas? Who would like to share? Please go ahead.
Basically, this is Nilesh from Maharashtra.
Yeah, Nilesh.
Yes, I think this is a very good tool in our work. Basically, we are having the problem of human-wildlife conflict, the conflict between human and wildlife. So people.
Nilesh, turn your video your face also.
My video is.
No problem. It's a very technical problem. Please go.
Just let me. Okay. So it is very good tool to document the human-wildlife conflict in our area. The farmer can notice the instances happening in human and wildlife conflict in the Maharashtra area.
Yeah.
And we can publish it on the Wikipedia like tools also, that these kind of instances happening in the farming sector in the Maharashtra.
Yes. Thank you. Now I'm going to give that a little demo of how mobile can do Hindi conversation with me. So Mary Julie just joined. Which city you are joined in from? You can just unmute and let me know.
Sorry, you have to ask your question again.
No, just let me know which city you have joined in from.
Okay, we are joining from Madhya Pradesh, district Ujjain.
Okay. And what's your education background and what's your profile?
Okay,
Voice is breaking. Okay, we will come back. Okay, let me just remove my background so that you will see what I'm doing very clearly.
I'm really sorry. Actually, there is a network issue we are facing right now. So my name is Nadika, and
can you please
I
type
hope
in the
I'm
chat?
audible.
Yes,
Okay,
you are
I will
audible.
type in. Okay.
Type in the
I'm
chat
typing
window.
in chat.
Yeah, what's your background and what's your education background and what's your current profile? Okay, thank you. Now let me tell you what I am going to demonstrate. First, I will try with ChatGPT. All of you have seen ChatGPT on your mobile. You can see ChatGPT interface, right? Is it visible? Subhra, is it visible? You can just give me a thumbs up. Subhra, I can see your video. Okay. So you can see it. Now I'm going to switch on to the voice mode on this. to switch on to the voice mode, I will just click on this. Right, there are big line and short line. I will just click it. You can see. Yeah. Now it is fully on. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help you today?
Okay, I have an audience from across India and Nepal. They would like to see the demonstration of multiple language interface. Now, yes, they saw you can speak in English, right?
Absolutely. I can speak in English. I can also switch to other languages if needed. Would you like to demonstrate something specific?
Yes, first let's try Hindi. आज का मौसम कैसा है बैंगलोर में?
बेंगलोर में आज आंशिक रूप से धूप है और तापमान 31 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। अधिकतम तापमान 32 डिग्री और न्यूनतम 20 डिग्री रहने की संभावना है।
Okay. Now, I am going to ask in English, but you have to respond in Marathi. Is that okay?
हो, नक्कीच. तूही विचारू शकता.
In Maharashtra, my friends are supporting farmers and women in the rural area. What is that which ChatGPT can be used in those NGOs where they are supporting farmers and the rural women?
ChatGPT की मदतीने तुमच्या मित्रांच्या एनजीओ मध्ये शेतकरी आणि ग्रामीण महिलांना कशी मदत करू शकता हे काही उदाहरण. एक, शेती संबंधित माहिती. शेतकऱ्यांना नवीन शेती तंत्रज्ञान, पिकांच्या वाढीच्या टिप्स आणि पिकांच्या बाजारभावाची माहिती देण्यासाठी ChatGPTचा वापर करू शकता. 2, महिला सक्षमीकरण. ग्रामीण महिलांना व्यवसाय संधी, स्वयंरोजगार आणि आर्थिक साक्षरता या संबंधित माहिती देण्यासाठी ChatGPT उपयोगी ठरू शकतो. 3,
Thank you.
शिक्षण आणि प्रशिक्षण.
Now, demonstrate. Can you speak Nepalese?
हो, मैं नेपाली भाषा बोलना सक्षम.
Okay. What can students in Nepal can learn using ChatGPT in Nepalese language?
नेपालमा विद्यार्थीहरू ChatGPT को मद्दतले विभिन्न कुराहरू सिक्न सक्छन्. 1, शिक्षा
Okay,
सामग्री.
thank you. Yeah, hold on. Now let's see if the audience has any question. So anybody, now you saw the demo, right?
Yes, I'm here. If anyone has questions.
Okay. Yeah, now the question is for the audience. Yeah, Subhra Jyosna, you saw Nepalese demo, you saw Marathi demo. Now, what do you think this opens up now? And it has typed everything, whatever I spoke, whatever ChatGPT spoke, everything is being typed here on the respective languages, on the respective scripts. You can see Hindi, Marathi. I'm not sure if Nepalese has a script. Okay, but it has done, I can see multiple language script here. So now, Sulochana, can you tell me what this opens up? Now, can you do something different starting tomorrow?
Yeah, I have already used this app before also, but it is okay for some extent, but we can't rely on the response that that ChatGPT has given, because sometimes maybe because of the language barrier, some contexts are different. So we just have to be sure whether the context is right or wrong before delivering it to the community. So it's okay for like a general questions. When I use it, I found it like seeing like observing the visuals. So we just can't depend on this one. So it is okay, but it can't depend on it, because we see different regions. Even a single word may also different interpretations. So the interpretations, we have to be more careful and careful while instructing, and we have to analyze the interpretation how it is given. So we just don't have to depend on it. I didn't find it is very trustworthy for me in context of Nepalese language when it is translated. So it's okay for brainstorming or getting the general ideas, but cannot be fully depend on it. On my opinion, this is very personal opinions. So I experienced that one. Maybe that will be different for different person. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks, Sulochana. Yeah, looks like Nepalese is still yet to mature. Okay, that's so is for all Indian languages. Not that ChatGPT has mastered it, but English, of course, yes, it is. It has been doing very good job. Now, I would like to hear if anybody has tried Hindi or Marathi. What's your feedback?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah,
I
Gyan.
tried right now. I tried with Hindi language. It's quite good and impressive. As you what you do with as a demonstrators, the same thing I do with my chat GPT. It's really good to respond and answer any questions which I ask.
Okay, okay, thank you. Anybody did you try Marathi?
Yes, I have tried Marathi, and I think it is working well in Marathi language. And I think as the time goes, it will more mature. So in Marathi, it is nicely working.
Okay, thank you. Now, yeah, please mute. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, now, yes, Nepalese, Sulochana, you will have to wait for some time. Till that time, what is the next best language which they can understand? Is it only English or is there any other language?
So I have tried it in Nepali. Yeah, so not in. We have also multiple languages, but I have not tried with another language. In Nepal also, it's okay, but we really can't depend on it. That is this
No,
thing
yeah,
I
I got
want
it.
to.
That means if it is not perfect, then no point in going with Nepali. That means you have to, for the time being, you have to use only English then. If they don't
Yeah.
know Hindi, etc., then you have to go with English. But it is also not bad, right? Because it's much better than not doing anything. For example,
Yes.
if English is also not there, then you are stuck. You are like being in North Korea or in
Yes.
the Stone Age where you don't have any access to civilization, right?
Yeah. I
So,
agree.
so now at least English is there. It is world-class knowledge, especially if it is skilling and if it is education related. I'm really excited about because this part of India we do only in English. So I'm really excited about it because whether it is even the serious professional education, engineering, or skilling, medical, all of them is wonderfully supported by these AI tools. So we are really excited about the possibilities. So yes, you have to wait for some more time before the Nepalis become as strong as English. So now those of you who are in the belt where Hindi and Marathi, because even other languages I have not tried, whether it's Bihari or any other or North Indian languages, because we have more than 21 languages in India. Not necessarily all have matured. So as of now, since Hindi and Marathi speaking belt is more, they are putting more effort in getting in maturing that. So it is just a matter of time. You have to bear with that. So now let's move on. Now, just starting tomorrow, this Hindi and Marathi, especially our friends in Maharashtra and in one of the North Indian states. So, where do you think this will help? Can one example, and then we'll move on. Can one of you share one example where this will help? Suddenly, you are empowering them. They need not have to type; they have to just speak to it, and you can extract the English version from the same thing what they have spoken. Anybody?
Yeah, Ajay here, sir. I think this our new generation or the grandchildren of the Indians, they are settled in other countries. So where they want to communicate with their grandchildren, or they want to communicate with the grandparents, and many times they don't know their mother tongue language. So there is one option that the grandparents or great grandparents, so they can convert the conversation to English and any other language they want to communicate with them, with their family. That is one possibility, I feel. And summarizing the meetings and shorten that whatever without any grammar mistake. And is it possible to download this video audio whichever is uploaded for what we speak? Can it be downloaded?
Not in ChatGPT, whereas in other tools you can. For example, I have used AI Studio. Yeah, probably in the next session I will introduce. Otherwise, it will be too much in one session. Yes, you can download.
Okay, and so I was also thinking that whether we are using this technology, whether it will downskill, because uh, the capacity building is onto the AI side, but whether the natural capacity of the students, if they start using it, or the dependency of actually learning the languages, different skills, whether will that come down, because you don't need to really learn a particular language.
Yeah, let me answer that. And after this, I will go ahead with my planned presentation. Otherwise, question answer, we will keep it at the end. Now, let me answer this question again. Yes, you are right. That's the reason why I have called this meeting. In this meeting, I don't expect or I'm not interacting with the students directly yet. Okay. The way we have planned to roll it down any institute is, one is head of institute, in this case, Geeta Madam. So Geeta Madam has fully understood the power of AI. That's the reason yesterday night, actually, I sent the invite to Geeta Ma'am, telling I am doing this for Bikash, which is Karunodaya Foundation, just one NGO. Since it is being done online, many people can benefit. Now look at it, she has invited all of you because she is fully convinced that this is going to help each one of you. And now, again, we are enabling the key decision maker, the people who are running the NGO, who are coordinating with the end users. Now, all of you, once you are aware, and once we are structured in our approach, then we will reach out to the next level. It could be your students, the beneficiaries. Before that, if there is any way you can reach out to the parents. For example, if they are minor children, if they are adults, it's fine. You can directly tell them what they can do. Now, if there are minor students, I would recommend to bring their parents once similar on this webinar, so that we can address this parents also. I will also get some of my colleagues or friends, even if Ajayan has got some of his colleagues who can speak Hindi or Marathi comfortably, because for parents, we should always address them in their mother tongue. So when now look at the power. So now suddenly, me sitting here, I learned about AI in the last 6 months because, yeah, just let me briefly tell you about myself. I have 35 years of industry experience. I'm basically a mechanical engineer. I finished my engineering in 1988 in one of the cities in Karnataka, and it's from Mysore University. Then I went on to work in a truck manufacturing company called Ashok Leyland, and I was an industrial engineer over there. So I did that for about 3 years. Then I switched over my line career to computers. I joined Infosys. Last 32.5 years, I am with Infosys. I was with Infosys till August last year. So now, during that, I did not code any of this artificial intelligence, even though my colleagues were doing it over last 10 years. So I was basically focusing on other technologies. I was taking care of educating our architects globally. And as you are aware, we had 330,000 employees at peak. And I was part of the training division, which trains all these 330,000 employees. Then how did we reach? We were only 800 of us. How did we reach? How did we teach 330,000 ourselves? So we leverage technology. We leverage artificial intelligence over more than a decade now. So I had, at least from the user side, I have experienced AI. Now I would like to bring that experience in to your space wherever you are. Now, though I was not directly involved in basically in the backside, in the technology side of creating this AI, because some of my friends have worked deeply into this machine learning, neural network, natural language processing. These are the techniques which goes in building any of these large language model as well. And of course, you would have heard about what is narrow AI, or what is the general AI, and what is generative AI. So all those nuances are there. So I will share some of the documentation so that we can directly focus on some of the use cases or some of the challenges which you are facing can be addressed. So even after 35 years of experience, I had not learned AI. Now my point is, in last 6 months, I was able to at least come to a decent level on how do I leverage this AI built by some of the smart people on the planet. So it could be ChatGPT, it could be Gemini, it could be Cloud, or it could be Microsoft Bing, or it could be any of these, or DeepSeek, etc. And how do I use it? And especially in the education sector. That's what I focused over last 6 months. Now, whatever I'm presenting to you is my learning on how to use this generative AI just in last 6 months. But however, I had the foundation very well built in. That's why I was able to appreciate. And now I'm able to easily try out some of the open source tool, and I am trying to get into the backside behind the scenes so that I can also see how this is actually doing it. How do I call these same tools in programmatically? For example, those who are techies, you will understand, using Python, we can easily call these ChatGPT APIs, and especially Ajay, yesterday I was speaking to your CEO, and how you can build use cases to do all these things in a batch mode. For example, I will also show one interesting example how you can scan or digitize your handwritten notes. So that also suddenly becomes very, very powerful. How your own farmers, because if they are writing in Marathi, if they are writing in English, if they are writing in Hindi, how you can take that handwritten notes and make some sense out of it. Okay, how you can digitize it, I will show you. Yesterday, in the yesterday's session, Bikash was seeing how I was able to digitize a doctor prescription. I will just do a demonstration to you how, even though it looks so not legible, how it is able to make sense out of it. So like this, lot of opportunities have opened up now. So sitting here remotely without any external support, I am able to learn any skill of my choice. That's what I am going to share it with you today. Okay, now let me just share with you another very interesting use case, because a lot of things you yourself would have taken the notes. Let me just bring one of the handwritten notes. Just give me a second. Let me share my screen. Okay, so you're able to see my handwritten notes, right? Can one of you give me thumbs up or say yes?
Yes, it's visible.
Thanks, Mary. So now, not all of you might be able to make sense of what I have done. Okay, so I have seen even, I will just see if I can pick up, get the doctor's prescription, which was much more complex. But anyway, let me just try to scan this and see if this can make sense to ChatGPT. Let me bring up ChatGPT. So I hope all of you would have tried how to upload a document to ChatGPT. Let me share my screen. Now from this document, I'm shifting to ChatGPT so that you see what I'm going to do on ChatGPT. Okay, now you are seeing my ChatGPT screen. I will just upload this handwritten notes on negotiation skills. Okay, so it is uploaded now. Now I'm going to ask a question. Please transcribe this and give me expansion of abbreviation. That's all the prompt you need to give for now. I will also tell you how to improvise this. And okay, let's just see what it does. Okay. So look at this. I did not write what is the expansion of BATNA, best alternative to a negotiated agreement, or CUSTO, likely the short for customer, because I had I have taken these notes. I attended a soft skill training in our company, Infosys, and this is my notes from 2002. Look at it. 23 years ago, I had written it. Yesterday, I found my diary and I just took a picture in my mobile and I'm doing this. Now, I got something. Okay, now let me continue the conversation with ChatGPT. Please give me a short description about this training and also about the terms used. Look at it. It is giving me 2 responses. Can one of you tell me why it gave me 2 responses? Sulochana, can you tell me?
I have no idea about it. Sorry.
Have you tried this kind of interface?
I have just single one, not like a two interface. So I'm not aware of like.
Just take a guess why it gave me 2 options. Both are almost looking similar, but one seems to be detailed, another seems to be short one.
Maybe you have instructed it.
No. You saw me what instruction I just gave.
So you have instructed to give the space short details. So maybe it is
Let's
providing.
get some others. Not really. Ajian, what do you think? Why did it give 2 responses?
It gave 2 responses. Maybe it want to show you as per your requirement which one you want to choose. You can choose, or options like 2 types of writings shared. So which one you want, you can choose that one.
Yeah, you're getting there. Yeah, Ajayan, would you like to share?
I think it has given 2 possibilities of that the session training session.
Yeah. Why it gave me 2? Just take a guess. There's no right or wrong. I'm also going to guess. Mary, would you like to attempt a guess? Anybody else would like to?
One is a kind of a solution. What it gives some solution is.
Yeah. Let me try to guess anyway. I'm not telling I'm right. Okay, my guess is this. My understanding is this. So this ChatGPT, anyway, all of you know this is generative AI. Generative AI stands for it generates. Yeah, would you like to say some? Anybody else would like to share before I tell my view?
Hello,
Yeah.
everybody.
Yes, go ahead.
In my perception, these 2 options, 2 responses are based on the different principle that AI considered that in current time. There are the different practices that AI recognized 2 model or the 2 practices which the AI have given us the options based on the reader could accept one based on the different principle or the different model.
Yes, you are right. Thank you. Thanks, Bijay. Bijay, you are in which city?
I am from Nepal and associated with ARD, same as Sulochana.
Okay.
We are from the same organization.
But you are sitting in 2 offices, or is it in the 2?
We are sitting separately.
Okay. No problem. So good. Yeah, thanks for that answer. Yeah, here is my understanding. Generative AI, all of you know, it generates for you. It generates afresh for you. It is not cooked because it didn't know what document I'm going to upload today. Right? Vijay, you agree with me? you can just say yes or no so that I can go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
I agree with you.
Okay, thank you. So now when it is generating afresh for me, and it is also guessing. For example, how it works is, as soon as first it will try to understand what context it is trying to generate. First, from the title, it made sure negotiation skills training. This context is about negotiation skills, so that whatever words it is going to generate, it narrows down the subset. Now there are multiple threads it will open up. Okay, in the background, this is very, very powerful computer which is running for us at the speed of light. Okay, this data center might be in US. I'm in India. Probably it is going back all the way up to America, US, going through that computer and sending me this response. There also it's very, very powerful. So that this we cannot be able to, this if we have to run locally, this needs humongous processing power, or the GPU, what you call. Okay, so then it is also not sure, because everything is a guesswork, because there is no this generative AI space. It's all about probability. It tries to bring in your current context for what prompt you gave. This is 99% accurate or 95%. It gives the best, nearest to the 100, whatever may be the accuracy. So depending on what model it has been trained on, so it will bring the nearest. And there are multiple algorithms they would have used. So now they are also training the engine with what the users are trying. So this is the reason now they are asking me my feedback. Because if I, being a subject matter expert, for example, if I prefer this response, going ahead, they are going to use this algorithm if any such queries come from this part of India, and if the profile of the user is matching with mine. So they are going to give priority to this response one. Okay. So like this, they are also learning. Like this, their algorithm is also learning. Okay. So now look at it. Suddenly, if I am learning about negotiation skills, all I am left with this is my notes, this one-page notes, which is half done. So even then, I'm not at a loss. Look at how powerfully this has now abbreviated and given me the notes, which I can use it for my learning, right? Suddenly it has given me a notes. Even imagine if I am a soft skill trainer. So now I am preparing it. So now imagine if this was done by really an expert, very good domain expert in that field. In fact, I still remember the instructor who taught me 23 years ago. Her name is Smita. So look at how powerful it is. Like any child, or even when you think back, who was your favorite teacher in your primary school? All of us will have some preference. Science teacher, English teacher, math teacher, social teacher. For some reason, they stuck to us. So like that, if you have notes from your favorite teacher, and you can reuse that notes, now thanks to ChatGPT, it can bring it to life. It can expand in the similar lines, so that now you can take these notes and move it forward. Now it is not just limited to the technical things or soft skills. Now let's get back to your farmers. Some of you are helping farmers, rural women. They have, let's assume for now, since it is proficient in English, let's discuss in English only. Now, let's say most of you would have written down the recipes, your favorite recipes of food in English in the handwritten notes. Suddenly, it can be easily digitized in the click of a button. Similarly, any instructions you have to give to the farmers, if it is in English handwritten, there is no issue, absolutely no issue. Suddenly, look at it, free of cost. You have got a wonderful scanning tool which will do the natural language processing of identifying this handwritten text to the digitized text. Once you have digitized text, now it's very easy. I can ask ChatGPT to, let me just try it out here if it can read it out for me. Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How's it going?
Yeah, I just gave a query to expand the negotiation skills. Can you read it out for me?
Sure.
Yeah.
Here's what I provided earlier about the negotiation skills training and the key terms. Negotiation skills training overview. This training session on.
So look at it. If your audience is, let's say, hearing impaired, sorry, visually impaired, now suddenly they can listen to the notes, right? Somebody, it creates, it means one of the coordinators has to just to do this scanning and expanding. Then you just put it in the voice mode, and your people who cannot read properly, they can listen to it now, right? Similarly, those who have hearing impaired, now you can generate the font, generate the text, and they can read it through. So like this, a lot of things will open up. Only your imagination is the limit on the use cases. Now that I asked in English, now let me try it out in Hindi. Hi. Now, can you please explain the same thing, the details about negotiation skills, which is already listed in my chat window in Marathi? Because I have audience who are sitting here, they know only Marathi.
Here's the explanation about negotiation skills in Marathi for your audience. Negotiation कौशल्य प्रशिक्षणाचा आढावा हे negotiation कौशल्य प्रशिक्षण सहभागींना negotiation.
Look at it. My content is in English. So I don't know anything in my Hindi or Marathi. I cannot do this session in Marathi. I can do comfortably in English, but suddenly your people can benefit. Soft skills is a very, very crucial element in any of your audience. They need to know about how do you communicate properly, how do you articulate your ideas, because they are through their experience over the years, they would have learned a lot of skills. Now suddenly they can learn the nuances about these soft skills, about how do you behave, how do you basically communicate with others, how do you communicate with diverse, maybe different gender, different seniority, different states, different cultures. All those nuances can be seamlessly, they can be trained using ChatGPT sitting in your own center wherever you are. So now can one of you tell me what this opens up? Mary, Julie, can you tell me how powerful this will get now? Because suddenly you are getting soft skills trained from the best content in the world.
I have a different question. If you permit me, can I ask?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Do we have to learn about different prompts? Because write command is very important while uploading some document or anything on the ChatGPT or other applications also. So I just want to know that we have to learn about different prompts on different type of things, so that we can give a right command.
Yeah. In the interest of time, you have to allow me to answer. So yeah, this can be answered by Subhra or Sulochana. You have already tried these LLMs. Can you please answer what Mary just asked, the importance of prompts?
Yes, sir. As Mary asked regarding the question, I think yes, prompts are most important things because it's a AI. What kind? All of our AI is dependent upon our prompts. What are the words we are using for our answers? For if we will do a single mistake in prompts, then we will get a different kind of question. Different kind of answer. It will sometimes by you at the time when we are using ChatGPT or any other AI, we are facing multiple issues or problems that we are not getting the proper answer or proper like content which we want. For that, I think in that case, what I did is that I tried multiple times and I tried to find out the proper word which will be explain the proper content. Like if I want in proper content, I choose the proper word which can help us to give our proper content. I tried multiple times and then only I get the proper content. It depends upon you, totally depends upon you. Whenever you are feel satisfied with your given the content, then only you will stop your searching. Like if you feel that by using twice, by trying twice, then you are okay.
Yeah, got it. Thanks, Subhra, for that. Now to help Mary. Yes, Mary, what Subhra told is yes, prompt is important. You knowing about the right prompt is important. Now, in this session, what we are doing is, yes, to help you how to basically frame the prompt. Yes, that field is called prompt engineering. And good part about prompt is, whatever prompt I am using, I can just, anyway, it is getting transcribed and it is getting recorded. I will share it with you. So today, whatever I use, you need not have to take notes. So my AI tool has taken the notes for you and it will give it to you. So like this, we can have now, thanks to you, we have all the NGOs which is being supported by Asia initiatives today in the call here today across India and Nepal. Now look at the power of each one of us. Whoever has understood, here is your homework today. Each one of us, all of us will create one WhatsApp group. If one of you can coordinate, I can create that WhatsApp group if you want, or I will leave it to one of you to coordinate. Bikash, since you initiated, I request you to create a WhatsApp group by bringing all of us in that, because there I am going to share the prompts which I use today and the prompts which I have used in all my trainings till now. I have trained teachers, I have trained students, I have trained doctors, I have trained even CEOs, heads of institutes. So I'm going to share the prompts which I gave it to them. Look at it. All of us, if let's assume just a very simple number of even pessimistically, if you count, if 100 of us are there in all these NGOs put together, if each one of us are trying out, let's share the prompt which we used in that WhatsApp group. And I will use the tool to consolidate. Then what happens, there is no duplicates. If I use again, I will do that for you and I will give you that prompt also. How did I consolidate the prompts which all of you shared? And I'm not sure how many of you have used export chat option in WhatsApp. That's an excellent tool. I'm going to show you and I'm going to record the process and look at it, how easy and it will become. So Mary, don't worry. We are there to help you. All of us will create whatever the appropriate prompts in your context, which can be used, and please feel free to use. Anybody can use it. So does that feel good that you have excellent ecosystem who is going to support you? Mary, you can say yes or no.
Yes, you can. Actually, there is a network issue.
You are happy, right? Now, suddenly,
yes.
Yeah, suddenly 100 people to support you with your query. How cool is that? Okay, yeah, Bikash is telling yes. Okay, thanks. Now, let's move on. Now that we have dwelled enough on just using the handwritten, the last one, before we move on, this is the doctor's prescription. I don't know how many of you can read this. Subhra, can you read this? Read the handwritten portion. You can say yes or no.
Yes, I'm trying.
Okay, it's not really easy, right? It is a little bit difficult.
Yes, it's a multiple small hypo. Sorry.
Yeah. We're not sure whether it's right or wrong, right? Now look at what ChatGPT can do the magic for you.
Sure.
I'm going to upload this to ChatGPT. Now, if you see intentionally, it is I have removed my name, so that it becomes I have removed any personal identification things which was there in the document, so it won't know my name or age in this. Okay, So I'm going to upload this. So let me share my screen. Otherwise, you will not see what magic is happening. Let me stop presenting this. Now I'll open up the ChatGPT, sorry. So now let me upload the same document. Okay, it has uploaded. Let me see if I can reuse the same prompt which I use for my negotiation skills. I'm just scrolling up. So please transcribe. I will start with the same chat. I did not do anything. Look at this. Earlier was soft skill training. Now it is doctor's prescription. I'm not changing. I'm not using any of my knowledge in this. Please transcribe this and give me expansion of and abbreviation. Let's see what it does. Let me stop this because I don't want it to give me doctor's detail, because that I can easily make out Dr. C.A. Chetan. Now I can ask, please ignore details about doctor and the clinic in top and bottom portion of the document. Now you see the difference. I did not repeat the first transcribe. Since it's in memory, it will continue. Okay, Subhra, this is much more convenient to read, right? Okay, thank you. Now look at this. Still, I did not understand what is this hypopigmented scars. I can just ask, please expand and give me explanation in simple words. How cool it will be if I say in Hindi. Now you are getting it, right? Now suddenly you know what's happening to my body, and your farmers will know doctor gave me some chit. They have no clue what doctor gave the medicine, what's happening to your body. Now look at it, how empowered your ladies will feel, your farmers will feel in case if they go through some medical issue. Is it useful? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
So suddenly they will feel empowered, right? They need not have to come running to you telling what did doctor recommend to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let me switch the gear now. I want to introduce you to another tool. Yesterday I asked Bikash to give me what all his NGO did in last 1 year and how many students it supported. Okay, he gave me a 1-page text. It was not formatted. No, I'm not blaming or I'm not complaining, but that is how the reality on the ground is. So if I just I did not ask him, give me in PPT, give me in this, give me in Excel, nothing. I just gave one simple request. Tell me how many people you supported over last 1 year. Okay, he told some number, but it was hidden in a page. Okay, now let me just see if I have the text file here. or I will just create that text file, because this is very crucial, because this is one key requirement. Don't worry, I have your WhatsApp. Because this is one of the key requirements. Even Geeta ma'am might ask time to time, please give a summary.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah, let me just share this. Let me just share my screen. Yeah. So you are seeing, this is the message which Bikash sent me. Yeah, please keep it muted. There is a lot of background noise. So I'm going to tell you the how useful is this tool. Okay. Now, yeah. So now I have to read it sequentially from top to bottom to figure out what did I ask and what did I get. Digital training initiatives. Over the past 1 year, I visited 14 schools, provided digital training to students of class 7 and 8. So it is there. Okay. Now I have a choice. I can call him up and ask, can you just give me these numbers? So like this back and forth, I can keep doing. So, and that's what we have been used to. Now suddenly I need not have to do any of that thing. Here's, I asked something and yeah, I got a report. Now look at what magic I'll do with ChatGPT. I'm going to just save this as a text file. I will tell you the reason why you have to save. I have got a separate directory called text so that I don't. Performance report. I will just call performance report. Anyway, I will also put Karunodaya. .text. So I got a text file now. Now I will go to ChatGPT. So please bear with me, because this is the foundation. Once you learn it, then other things what I'm going to introduce will become very, very easy. Upload from computer. I will go to same directory and there. So now I uploaded this text file to ChatGPT. Now I will ask, how many students were impacted in last 1 year as per attached document? So now let's see what answer this will give. I will just ensure that you are able to see my prompt. Yes, you can. Okay, now let's see. See, it said in Hindi because let me please report in English. So 837 students. So it immediately brought down, either it summed it or brought from some corner, and this is what I wanted. How many schools? So like this, I can go on asking questions. 12 schools impacted. Now I can ask next question. Give me in bullets. How many initiatives were done with 2-line description of each initiative, of each, that's enough. So suddenly I'm getting a very, very formal structured report, right? Is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now comes the next leap into the world of presentation. Subhra, is this useful?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to take this text and I'm going to put it in another tool. Okay, it's called Napkin.ai. Has anybody used Napkin.ai?
No. No, sir.
What about Ajayan? Have you used Napkin.ai? Hi, Nidika. Welcome. Which city you're based in, Nidika? Nidika.
I have shared before. I and my one of my colleague, we are joining with the same device, but the battery is low, so I have to connect with my device. I am from MP, Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain district, and I am connecting with Mera Gaon Meri Dunia organization. In short, we can say it MGMD.
Wonderful. Yeah, Ujjain is a nice city. I visited about 5 years ago before pandemic.
Yeah, you can come again, please, and tell us.
Sure, sure. So yeah, now are you seeing Napkin.ai on my screen?
Yes.
Okay, now I copied whatever the bullets it gave me. I'm going to get Napkin for free. Thankfully, Napkin is free as of now. Please use this when it is free. Click on new napkin and you start with blank napkin. See, it has no title. I'm going to just paste whatever I extracted from Bikash WhatsApp message. These are these bullets. I have not typed anything in this. I used as is the text from Bikash WhatsApp and I let ChatGPT do the magic. And now look at the magic this will do. I'm going to click on this blue icon on the left side. You are able to see the blue icon, right, Subhra?
Yes, sir.
So for now, you can keep it unmuted. I don't see any background noise, Subhra, because I will ask a series of questions on this. You can keep your mic unmuted, Subhra. Now I click this. Look at the magic unfolding. So yeah, it is generating. Let's give it some more time. So suddenly, what are you seeing, Subhra, here?
What I saw is that all the write-ups came in infographics. Like it gives us some infographics which can we easily understand.
Yeah. Look
with
at that.
less text.
Yes. Look at the icons. It is useful, right? Financial
Yeah.
means brought a piggy bank.
Also icons also, which we are searching multiple times, but here automatically with infographics and icons came as per the text.
Yes. Now look at it. Look at the variety. How much choice you have? Because
yes, sir.
We are not happy with one or two choice. We need 20 choice. That's how we do shopping, right?
Yes, sir.
You go for shopping your dress. How many dresses you see? 1, 2, or 20?
Multiple.
Yeah, multiple. That is true with anything we buy, whether it is shoes, whether it is even if you want to eat. So we want the menu to have 100 items in the menu. So like
yes,
this, information is the same, but let's look at it. It is spoiling us by giving more option also. I can click more, it will generate some more. Okay, now it's very difficult. Now it's a problem of plenty, is it not? Which one to choose? Okay. Good part is anyone will do because all of these are representing the same information. Now imagine the power of this. Suddenly, Geeta ma'am will be surprised. All of you are sending very, very professionally created infographics in the report. What, Bikash, yesterday when I asked you if you had sent me this, I would have floored. Is it not? Bikash?
Yes, sir.
Now, today evening, you please use this and send me the same report to me and Geeta ma'am, and you see the reaction.
Sir, how to copy paste infographic in our report?
Okay, that's a good question. Now, now I choose this. Now click once on this. It gave me a nice export option here, right? Subhra, you're able to see the export option.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Click on the export. It will ask you whether you want PNG, SVG, or PDF. Choose any of them.
Yes, sir.
PNG, and just say download. That's it. You have it. Now I'm going to WhatsApp it to Bikash, so that he is the owner of the data. Bikash, you have it in your WhatsApp in just 1 second.
Yes, sir.
This will write, Bikash?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
suddenly you are going, Geeta ma'am will be so happy, right, to receive these infographics.
Yes, sir. She is constantly saying that why not you are using the AI and और हम लोग जो रिपोर्ट भी देते हैं बिल्कुल मैशी होता है सर ये.
Yeah. Now
you have seen in the last night.
Now you look at it. You take the now the numbers. How many teachers you trying? How many people you impacted in STEM education? So you just put the number here. That's it. I will not ask any more question. I will be so happy. Then I will go and tell all organizations, why not you use the tool like this? So useful, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
ये सिर्फ JPG और PNG में होगा सर.
Yes, you can do in any of them, any of the format. PDF also you can take. Okay. So now this is not limited to just this one. Let me just napkin. Now you can do it for each item. Not necessarily you have to do for the entire report, or you can pick the top 3.
Can you tell me the name of this tool again?
Shubhra, you have to tell.
Oh, not Shubhra. Okay, yeah, Shubhra, please.
I will tell, because Subhra is listening and seeing. Subhra, name, what is the name of this tool which I just demonstrated?
This is Napkin AI.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Subhra.
Welcome.
Look at this. It is Napkin.ai. Are you able to read it?
Yes.
Nidika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's readable.
Yeah, it's Napkin. So, yeah, it's a wonderful tool. And it's absolutely free. Yes, Gyan?
It's need to sign up, or can we use it without signing?
You have to sign up. Sign up means you can use your Google Mail. That's it. It won't ask your credit card or anything. Just use Gmail. That's it.
It's a free app, free application.
It's free. As of now, very soon, this is getting so popular. Very soon, they are going to say, we will let you create only 10, let's say, images per day. Some limit they will put. They will not make. As of now, it's unlimited. It's free. And let's look at pricing. Let's see what they are expecting. Look at it. Everything is 000. Happy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, let's learn. This is a great tool. I'm sure Asia Initiatives is going to fund you in case even if they make it payable, because look at the value it adds. Now I need not have to ask any question. I suddenly get very, very professional report as if it is done by Infosys team. Okay. So now we have spent close to 1 hour 40 minutes. I can go on if you are ready. Would you like me to show another tool, or should we stop and resume in the next class?
सर थोड़ा हम जितना पढ़ाया गया था पढ़ाया गया है उसको थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर कर ले उसके बाद.
Okay, how many of you are ready to extend till 6 o'clock? Just give me a hands up.
I am ready.
No, don't speak. Just give me a hands up, so that I will take a poll. I will see how many of you are ready, because I don't want to trouble people who are not ready. Let me open up and see where are the participants. We are 21 of us here. Only 2 of you have raised the hands. What about others? Only Nidika and Vishal, Akash, Gyan, Deen Dayal.
So, can I interrupt?
Yes, please go ahead.
So, it's just 5 people are here joining in Nepal, and we are in office, so it's already 5:56, almost like a 6 p.m. in Nepal. So I would suggest it would be better to resume the training for next day, so that we can complete our office hour. It's already over. And the sessions is very insightful, and I think we should try it once more in the practically, so we can come up with issues and challenges we face when we are in doing it in the practical. So for Nepal it is quite challenging because we are not so prepared to stay more in office. So I would request you to resume it for next day if other participants are okay for it.
Anyway, here is what I'm suggesting. So since Nepal is a minority and we should be big-hearted, so we will accommodate requests from Nepal. Okay, we will resume in the next session. Don't worry, Sulochana.
Thank you for the consideration.
Yeah.
So I think
however,
you must try it before moving on. So sometimes we have the challenges. It is easy to listen and see the process, but when we are in actual action doing the things, then we may have challenges. So we try all the things together and come up with the findings and the experience in next meeting.
Excellent. Now, please give me 5 more minutes. Please bear with us.
Yeah,
I
sure.
want to summarize what we learned today. I will go around the table. I will start with you only. So, Sulochana, what did we learn today? And which use case you are going to try right now once you go home?
So I found it's, as I say, it is very useful. So
Hold on. Just keep it simple so that others also will get a chance. Just keep it simple. What did you learn? Which tool did you learn? Which tool did you like? And what do you think? Yeah, today might be too far-fetched. What do you think you will? Which tool you think you will start using starting tomorrow? So just 3 things. Which tool did you saw today? Which one of it you like? And which one of you are going to use starting tomorrow? Just 3 things you just mentioned.
Yes, well, ChatGPT voice more is very useful. So I will be using it from tomorrow to translate the things and to deal with the community. And another, the magical things that I learned today is Napkin AI. So it's very magical. And I realized that it is the thing that I must try it just from tomorrow, because as being a project manager, I have to write the reports, and the reports are basically the things that you share. It was not infographics, so I would like to use Napkin AI from tomorrow.
Thank you. Yeah, I hope this will add value to whatever work you are doing, to yourself and to the community. So all the best.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah, Vishal Danskar, can you please narrate the same things? Which tools did you see? Which one you like? Which one you will start using from tomorrow? Vishal sir, please unmute. Yeah, Vishal, please go ahead. Okay, in the meantime, Subhra, why not you go ahead? Which tools did you see? Which one you liked and which one you will start from tomorrow?
For tomorrow, I will start to use Napkin AI because it's very useful for report documentation work, which is I'm doing here, and this infographics most of the time. And then ChatGPT Translate. This one first I will try, and then I will suggest my field staffs that they will try this one because it will help us. Nidhi, mostly because most of our field staffs are facing some troubles during the communication that translate the English word to Odia and then Odia to translate. I'm that one, sir.
Okay. Are you not going to tell this to your parents, friends? What did you learn today?
No, sir. I will share with them also, but for
Yeah, because it is not just for your official work, right? You can do for your personal
yes,
work.
sir.
You can fine tune whatever. For example, I don't know how many of you saw the WhatsApp invitation which I forwarded. Geeta ma'am has forwarded. Did any of you? I'm sure most of you would have seen it because you clicked. Did you see the message, Subhra?
Just
The
I don't
WhatsApp
have
invite
it.
which I forwarded, or Geeta ma'am would have forwarded to you.
Sorry, sir. I think I
I think
don't
so. She had
get that.
shared in a mail, I think so.
No problem. I will bring it up. Hold on, because I want you to see it, because I used even Bikash I had forwarded, or Geeta ma'am's mail only I had sent.
Okay, sir.
Just hold on. I want you to see it, because I took enough time to create this, and I used ChatGPT and other tools to frame this. Okay, I will tell you which tool did I use and where. Let me bring that up. Okay, so as you can see, there is a first portion where it's fully text. Good morning, ma'am. I hope you're doing well. I'm pleased to share that I have resumed my Sunday sessions aimed at educating teachers' parents. Okay, this might look like, let me expand. There's more also. Let me just expand so that, okay. Let's see. So now you can see that text, even though it's easy to write, I wrote whatever text it came to my mind. Then I fed it to ChatGPT with a prompt telling polish this text and make it formal. Because since she's a very senior person, I didn't want to err or didn't want to do any spelling mistakes. I want also all the address should be respectful. So I just did, within a second, it gave me an abbreviated message. Look at it, 11:23 p.m., almost close to midnight. I'm typing this because when I'm sleeping, I don't want to commit any mistake, or I don't want to ignore anything. Then I want you to see this picture. Okay, so look at this, how cool this is. And look at each one of these AI in skill building. Okay, so I did not just pull this from air. Introduction, the this one, the bullets at the bottom. So I told a free text to ChatGPT. This is what I would like to cover in my address to all the NGOs under Asia Initiatives tomorrow. Give me appropriate title. Give me in bullets. This is what I am going to share, because I don't want to dump a one-page text in the invite. Now it should be easy. You should be able to recall, and it should convey the point. Now look at this. I was able to do this. I had this picture, of course. Once I had this picture, and I also, through my experience, I know how much should be the font size, how much should be, what color I should use. And I don't mind sharing this template with you. This is in PPT. Can you believe this? This is simple PowerPoint slide. And all I asked ChatGPT is to give me appropriate heading and the bullets. Now look at this, how professional this looks, right? Now Geeta ma'am felt, yes, Kiran will do justice to our NGOs, and without even a second thought, she has sent to all of you. And thanks to each one of you, you have come here, you trusted us, and you have spent close to now almost getting into 2 hours now. So thank you for staying back in your office for this session. And I hope this last bit, which the demonstration which I did, is also inspires you to take all your presentations to the next level, to take your WhatsApp message to the next level. Now look at this. If you share this with your classmates, your friends, your relatives, your cousins, how excited they will be, right? They are getting free education. Now suddenly they are learning this professional, usually this skill you will learn only when you go formally to a design school, right? Suddenly you are able to get it at the comfort of your home in whichever place you are living in India or in Nepal. Okay, so like this, now suddenly this artificial intelligence is leveling the field. That means there is no rich or poor here. There is no haves and have-nots. Everybody is getting the same skills, access to same information with almost close to zero cost. I hope this has helped you and inspired you to explore more. And in my experience, it is only your imagination is the limit. And your interest to learn is the only which is stopping you, not the resources, not access to the people who are ready to help you. Everything has been given to you on a platter, on a golden platter, to your own doorstep. Now only you have to make a decision. Do you want to use this opportunity and become a world-class performer in whichever field you want to do? So that is what it's opening up. I'm really excited about it, and I will discuss with Bikash on when we can have the next class. I don't mind doing one more class during this week, because there is a lot to cover. And now that I told you how to now start creating your presentation, how to articulate what you are doing, because you are doing excellent work. All you have to do is create 2-pager excellent infographics representing what you have done and how much you have impacted. That's all Geeta ma'am is expecting from each one of you. And imagine if each one of you can share that 2-slider at the end of this week's second session. Even I would also love to have that information. So I'm sure all your work will be showcased in much larger platform, and this will go to the next level. So let me stop talking now. Thank you all for the wonderful time which you have spent with us, and thanks to Asia Initiatives for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with each one of you, so that you will put to good use and we will make this world a better place. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, Ravi.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, please.
Yeah, I'll
Yes,
step.
so,
Let
sir,
everybody
can you share your email?
drop off.
Yes, sir. Is it possible for you to share your email ID or mobile number?
I will do right away, so let everybody get it. I don't want to do partiality. My mobile number is 91108. I'm typing in the chat window. 91108 82401 is my WhatsApp as well as mobile number. I'm available. First, please ping me. I may not be able to pick up if because I'm in series of meetings and trainings. 91108 82401 is my mobile number. You asked me for my email number. It's very easy. You can see my display here, Kiran NG, that is continuous, Kiran NG at yahoo.com. That's easy to remember, at yahoo.com. So here are my coordinates. So thank you all. Session is done, and have a wonderful evening.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm going to share both the recording as well as the transcript by tomorrow.